Hello, number three is you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance, and I am your astrologer, tarot reader, and numerologist Himali Narsin, bringing you some news from the world of stars. Let's look at how is the year 2021 going to be for you, followed by our weekly predictions from the 1st to the 7th of January 2021. So let's look at 2021 in a little detail. 2021 sums up to number 5. Number 5 is ruled by the planet Mercury. Mercury is also the ruler for Geminis and Virgos. If you are a Gemini or a Virgo, this year is going to be absolutely stunning for you. Being a number 3, number 5 highly supports of number 3. You could learn a lot of things if you are a student, if you're giving a NEET exam, or if you're giving any difficult exams. This is the year you should be trying. CAs. Alert for all the CAs, all the engineers, everybody who's appearing for competitive examinations. This is the year you should totally try your hands on any such exams. If you are a teacher, if you are a student, this year is going to be very, very good for you. This is the year where you will have to, of course, work hard on your education, but the luck quotient is 100%. Number 3s will also find it very easy to accumulate wealth this year as compared to the year 2020. However, 2020 wasn't too bad for number 3s, but 2021 is absolutely a stunning year. The year of 2021 and 2022 are going to be landmark years for the number 3. Number 5 is a favorable number for number 3, where it's going to ease a lot of things. If you are a business person, if you are an investor, I would advise you to invest in stocks of pharmaceuticals and real estate. If you are someone who is also interested in travel and tour industry, do so after the second half of the year. Number 3 is being the hugest, ruled by the hugest planet, which is Jupiter, will have to see a lot of extremities in the number 5 year. You could feel extremes in health. You could feel the extremes in life, highest highs and lowest lows. But whatever it is, overall you're going to have a very nice and a favorable year. This is going to be one of your landmark years in the near future. Number 3 is very, very important. The colors that you have to absolutely avoid are red and black. The colors you should stick on to are creams, baby yellows, baby blues, baby greens. One color that you should keep with you at all times is any sort of greens. You can keep a green handkerchief, you can change your mobile cover to a green cover, but you should absolutely add some sort of greens in your life. So number 3 is, let's look at your weekly predictions now. The cards that you have as your general energies is 8 of Pentacles and the Magician. So the Magician here tells us that you have all the resources that you would require. You have the willpower, you have some sort of a new beginning in your mind, but you will have to work very, very hard for that new beginning. 8 of Pentacles again denotes that you have been working very hard for this new beginning, and if you have been working, you have been planning on starting something new. This is the year where you will be starting that new things. With the start of the year, you're going to start your new cycle of earning. You are going to start your new cycle of making money, and that is something that will keep you really, really busy all around the year. On your love life, I've got the 7 of Pentacles and the 3 of Swords. Again, with 7 of Pentacles and 3 of Swords, you are actually not prioritizing your love life because you are waiting for your money to grow. You may think you're not very stable enough to have a relationship or have an added responsibility in your life. This could lead the other person to feel very, very heartbroken. This could feel the other person to feel very, very disappointed with your actions and your words. They may feel that you are not really interested in the relationship, and you may just sooner or later break off. But your thinking is on a different criteria. You are thinking of more financial freedom, and they are actually seeking your love and your compassion when it comes. While they may be seeking a lot more compassion from you like you had in the year 2020, but 2021 has opened a new door of finances for you, and they are still stuck on the year 2020. So number 3 is, I would advise you to try balancing it out a lot more. Number 5 is also the year of more youthfulness, and I would advise you to be a little more playful, balance out your work and life, work and love life, and things should absolutely be much better for you. On the work front, you've got the Hangman and Sun. If you are someone who hasn't been seeing any progress in your relationships, if you are looking for a job and you have had no hope so far, now is the time you will get everything that you wanted. You will be getting your new job opportunity. You will be getting a lot of other things. The Sun will be looking up for you. Sun being the most happiest and the bestest card in the deck. You have the Sun in your work front, and things will absolutely look up for you in your work, in your business, anything that you do to earn money. Let's look at some of the advices we have for you. The advice that we have for you from Archangel Gabriel, rather a news, is success. Congratulations, you did it. Number 3 is, I feel it being very much onto your work front. The work front is super highlighted. You are going to work extremely hard this year, and everything that you do is going to reap its benefits fivefolds. The lucky color for you this week is magenta. Connect to your deepest inner knowing. There will be some sort of new knowledge for you, number 3s. I'm not sure in what relief, but there will be some sort of new knowledge that you will be getting this week. Number 5 is your lucky number. And an advice from romance angels would be codependency. Addictions are affecting your romantic life. The color for you, the lucky crystals for you throughout this year is the Sunstone and the Amazonite. If you do not have these crystals, please order with Ruhani Guidance, and we will send you the best crystals at the best prices. So number 3 is, this was your weekly prediction along with a little overview of how your year 2021 is going to be. Please stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance. Please like, share, comment. Let me know how you find these videos, and I will make sure to do much more than what I'm currently doing. And until I do the next reading, you stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.